up everyone? So we have finally left Goa. We ended up spending 3 weeks in Goa. We've come down south a bit to a place called Gokarna. It's in another state, it's called Karnataka, I think, the state. And we got here by train. Extremely beautiful train ride. It took just over an hour, I think, but yeah, all the landscapes and stuff was absolutely beautiful. Pretty much just all one big jungle. It was like a train ride through the jungle, so yeah, we absolutely love that. Right now we come to this cool spot on a rooftop to have breakfast. As you can see, nobody here at all. And we got this awesome view of the beach here. Look how nice this looks. Also, nobody really on the beach at all either. So the place we're staying here in Gokarna is called Kudle Beach. So that's the beach here. It's really laid back place. You had to go on a bit of a walk to get here. There's no direct road here, so yeah, it is yeah, it's kind of remote, and like I said, just a very peaceful spot to chill out. Breakfast has been served. So Carol got the scrambled eggs and toast, and that was 200, I think, and mine was 250. I got a little bit more, so I got the toast, a nice bowl of fruit and some cornflakes, and we obviously both got the masala chai. Kind of funny that the cups here say Goa. It's a sign, Carol, we have to go back tomorrow. Nobody wants to see Goa videos anymore. So we're gonna be leaving Kudle Beach now. We actually spent the day here yesterday, so we want to check out some other beaches. Here in Gokarna has a few pretty nice beaches apparently. We're gonna be heading to a popular one that's called Beach. I think it's about a 16 to 20 minute walk. So yeah, that's where we're gonna be heading now. Finally arrived at Beach. That 16-minute walk in this heat felt more like 40 minutes. Might just get the rickshaw back. Yeah, it was way too hot to be walking right now. Looks like a really beautiful beach though. Also seems deserted really. Not many people here at all. It's almost like it's 3 little beaches together. You got one here, one there, and then I think it goes all the way around there. So pretty beautiful. I think we need to get in the water. Yeah, I'm sweating like crazy. We've come to the far side of the beach. Really awesome beach here. Definitely a lot nicer than Kudle beach. This part has loads of cafes and shacks. I think there's places you can stay and stuff, so maybe we would have stayed here if we knew it was like this, since it looks nicer than Kudle. But Kudle is still nice either way. And I didn't mention before, but here in Gokarna, it's kind of normal for women to be able to wear bikinis. So just like Goa, yeah, you can feel free to wear bikinis on the beaches here, no issues. Loads of foreigners and stuff here with bikinis, so yeah, just very similar to Goa. Unfortunately, there's no shade here because we're against the sun. So yeah, I just really need to get in that water right now. What do you think of this beach?
Oh, it's very nice. Better than Kudle beach. This one is nice.
Kudle.
Kudle.
Kudle beach. That sounds cuter. No, the water here is pretty crazy though. It's a lot of fun. You need to know how to swim, that's for sure. Big waves. Trying to ride the waves. It's kind of like Goa, right?
Yeah.
It basically just looks like Goa. It feels like we're in Goa. So yeah, if you're in Goa and you want a quiet spot, just 1 hour by train, a bit over an hour, yeah, you can come here. Definitely worth it, right? Yeah, we're glad we came. We only came here mainly because we're on our way to Kudle down south, so yeah, it's kind of on the way. Glad we came either way. Alright, we just come for lunch at a place called Nirvana Cafe. I got the dal fry, one of my favorites, with garlic naan, and I think that was 140, so not bad. And Carol got chana masala, tasty chickpeas. Is it spicy?
No, one of my favorites too.
I love that as well, and I think that overall was 200 with the plain rice. This place looks pretty cool though. Also a guest house, I think. Looks pretty laid back. So we're going to be heading out of here now. We're going to head back to Kudle beach because that's a good spot for the sunset. And we just realized that we completely failed in our plan to go to Kochi from here. Today's a Friday, and there's literally nothing available tomorrow or Sunday to go to Kochi. We even went to a travel agency and they can't find anything at all. I think tomorrow we're actually going to head back to Palolem, back to Goa, and then we're going to have to go from there. So yeah, we're going to have to backtrack. Normally we're always able to find a way, even when we don't arrange it beforehand, but yeah, not this time. Lesson learned. So yeah, these things happen. So we're back just in time for the sunset here. Just like all the beaches in Goa, it's at its busiest during the sunset hours. That's when everybody comes to the beach. So this beach actually reminds me of Arambol. Got more of a hippie vibe to it. See that guy over there swinging his ball around? He's got skills. Here we got the cow invasion. Selfie. What is going on? This cow's gone crazy. Alright, going to close out the video now. So it turns out we don't have to go back to Goa. We went to some other travel agency here in Kudle, and the guy arranged for us to go to Kumta, which is about an hour south from here, and then from there we'll be able to get a train to Kerala. But that's only in 2 days, so we do have to stay here tomorrow. Yeah, that's not too bad. We'll just relax here on the beach or something. No, maybe go to another beach. Probably won't make a video though. Yeah, so I think this is gonna be the last beach video for a while probably. I think I've probably made about 8 or 9 beach videos straight. I don't think we've ever done that before. So yeah, no more beaches. And we're kind of both in the mood to see something different now anyway. And I know Kerala has a lot more different things to offer, like hikes, there's the backwaters, stuff like that. So yeah, we're planning on doing all those things, and yeah, I've got pretty high expectations. Everyone keeps talking so good about it, the Indians and also tourists that we meet. Yeah, that's what's coming up next. Just thanks for watching, and as always, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next one.